My name is Fran Williams. I'm a goal defence at Loughborough Lightning.
My name's Ria Dixon and I play goal attack for Loughborough Lightning. Making Final Four is such a great achievement. I feel like it's something that's probably could be overlooked or taken for granted because this club is so used to so much success. It's just down to so much hard work from all the team and staff and support and everything that we get here. And yeah, kind of just a few games left to see what we can do.
The season so far at Lightning's been a huge success. You know, we've ticked off our first aim, which was qualifying for top four, and you know, to be able to do that with a few weeks out and a few games left of the regular season has been a great sign because it shows the consistency we're playing with and also gives us that confidence now heading into Final Four, and I think we don't want to take that for granted. We still want to celebrate the position that we've got ourselves in and now just enjoy the kind of fun challenge bit as a team that is playing finals netball.
We've been successful this season because we have really worked on working together as a team, so kind of attacking through court as a team and defending as well. And using our versatility throughout our team, we really have got a really strong 12 plus our 3 training partners as well. So I think it's just working to our strengths and just trying to build on every game.
I think the secret to our success at Lightning is the team environment we have and the culture between the girls. You know, we've got a real blend in terms of experience at Super League level and international as well, and different ages and time spent in the Super League, and I think that kind of gives us that dynamic effect on court. I think we all work really hard for each other. Everyone's super committed to the task and playing for each other in the team and sticking to our structure, our game plan. People want to get themselves in the best position possible to be contributing to the team, and I think you can really feel that not just in the games we play but also every day at training.
It's been great to have Long Tall Sally and Computer Centre on board this season. It's been great to have their support and even seeing some of them at games and things. The way that Long Tall Sally have really embraced us and kind of connected with us as a club has been really awesome.